Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sathya. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I will be sharing, reviewing and demoing a skincare brand which is called Deyga Oraganics, which is an Indian skincare brand and also organic skincare brand. So I have a few products with me. Some of them I bought it and some of them they sent to me to try on for my acne problem. And I was using all those products for last 15 days and I really like all those products, guys. So if you wanna know my thoughts and opinion about them and how I use those products, do continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe now. Without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the first thing is, first I have a bunch of products I have kept in this cardboard. I really like this cardboard to store my products, so that's why I did not throw this. So everything I have in this, first I'll share some of the products which they sent me to try for my acne problem. So in acne skincare kit we get 5 different products. The first product we get is the charcoal soap. So we get 2 charcoal soaps. One I have already using and this is the fresh piece. So the second one we get neem seed cold press oil, which comes in this kind of a bottle with a dropper. And the third one we get is a tea tree facial toner, which is a distilled facial toner, and we get a aloe vera gel. And lastly we get tea tree essential oil. So we get 5 different products in acne skincare kit. So this acne skincare kit was sent by them. Personally I bought some of the products from them. The first one is I have Deyga Organic. So Deyga face pack. This is the orange and almond face pack, and I have the charcoal face pack, and I have this toner. This is the basil facial toner, and I have some lip balm, lip scrubs, everything. So one by one I'm gonna share my review. And first thing I'm gonna show you the acne skincare kit, because that is the star of this video, so which helped me to get rid of acne. Few days back I posted a video where I was suffering from acne and bumps and all. So after that only I get to know this product, and immediately I started using. I can see a great result. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So first thing I'm gonna remove this makeup, change my dress, and I'll be back. So guys, I just removed my makeup completely with my normal micellar water, and I changed my top, which is really comfortable to talk with you guys. Now I'm gonna start with the soap. I have 2 soap which is called charcoal soap. This is one you get like this, and the one more one I'm currently using I have kept like this, guys. This is my bathroom dabba, please don't mind. So I have used almost half of the soap, and this is called charcoal. This is the charcoal soap which contains activated charcoal, olive oil, castor oil, tea tree essential oil, which is a really great product, guys. So and also Deyga Organics doesn't contain any kind of chemical products like SLS, SLES or any petroleum products. They are pure organic products. They are derived from all organic ingredients, and which is also which available in India. So I'm gonna start with the soap. So this is the routine I have been using at night time. So this routine will help at night time. So initially I started this routine in daytime, but I couldn't see a major difference, so I shifted to the night time. So which was working great, because I used to use the neem seed oil, everything and all, so which helped me to get rid of my acne, everything. So the first thing is to wet my face. Let me wet my face. I have my sponge over here. I'm gonna wet my face like that. So once you splash the water on your face, take your charcoal soap, so which is a really great product, guys, which actually helps in controlling my acne, bumps, and controlling my oiliness and all. So once I took, I'm gonna just lather it in my palms, and then I'm gonna massage into my face. So this helps me to remove my excess oil, but reduces my acne, bumps, everything. So initially I could not see the major difference once for first 4 days. Once I started using regularly, like once I wash my face thrice in a day, like once I wake up in the morning, and then after while I was taking bath, and then at night time. So I was using this product thrice a day, and I can see a major difference. So initially I could not see that much difference, and then once I started using regularly, I could see a major difference. So this is a really good product for acne prone skin girls. If you have a oily skin also, you can definitely try this product. So once you wash your face, So I'm gonna massage gently. So I feel little bit of tingling sensation while I use this soap. So that too only around my nose area, because from morning till evening we'll be in outside there, that makes our skin dry. So that's why we feel little bit of tingling sensation, but once you wash your face that will completely go. So now I have massaged for almost 30 to 40 seconds. I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be back. So guys, I just cleansed my face with a plain water. Right now I don't see any kind of dryness at all. So soap naturally dries out your face, but this charcoal soap doesn't dry out your face at all, and simultaneously it removes your excess oil sitting on your face from morning or evening. So guys, the next step in this acne skincare routine is applying some cold pressed oil. So I have this neem seed cold pressed oil, which is a pure neem seed oil. You know guys, neem is a really great ingredient for antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so which helps to reduce my acne, bumps or anything like that. So anything related to acne. So I'm going to use this oil and I'm gonna keep this oil for next 30 minutes, and it works its magic in that 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it with my charcoal soap. So this comes in this kind of a dropper. I'm gonna drop directly into my skin because I don't want to waste like that. So I'm gonna drop like that. So I'm gonna put 3 to 4 drops, and then I'm gonna massage gently. So I'm gonna spread all over my face like that. So in that 30 minutes it helps my acne to reduce, calm down, and seriously guys, I'm super impressed with this cold press oil, and actually it's very affordable. It's just for 270 rupees, and you get I think 30 ml. Yeah, you get 30 ml of product. It's really a great product guys. Till now I have not used this product at all. So if I was knowing initially itself, I would have used. And also guys, you don't have to worry about the oil. This oil doesn't clog your pores and all. Instead it actually unclogs your pores and cleanses your skin thoroughly. So if you have any active acne or any zits like that, it actually helps in reducing that. So as you can see, now I have applied all on my face. Now I'm gonna wait it for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it with my charcoal soap. So yes, it's been 30 minutes since my neem seed oil sitting on my face. Now I'm gonna wash my face with the same charcoal soap, and then I'll be coming back to show you the face pack which I'm going to use. So guys, I just completely washed my oil, and I forgot to tell you guys, you can use this oil every single day till your acne is vanished, and more than 30 minutes don't leave this oil on your face. It might start giving that tingling sensation, so 30 minutes is more than enough. It does its job completely, and I'm gonna pat it dry with my towel. So next we'll be moving on to the face pack. So for the face pack, I have two face packs with me. The first one is orange and almond sun tan face pack, which is really great for pigmentation and acne issues and acne marks issues, because this contains orange, which is a great ingredient for lightening your pigmentation or acne scars, and almond, which is a good ingredient for skin regenerating and that to maintain that elasticity. So I'm gonna use this face pack today. The other face pack I have is this one, is the charcoal face pack, which actually helps in reducing your acne, skin irritations and calming your skin. So this product contains 4 different ingredients. The first ingredient is charcoal, the second one is bentonite clay and coiling clay, French clay, and also skin cherishing essential oil. So I don't use this charcoal face pack very often because I use this charcoal soap, which does its amazing job. So I don't use the this one that much. Instead I use the orange and almond one because I really like the instant glow which gives me. So this is both of them comes in the powder form. So as you can see, this comes in the powder form. You need to mix with the toner or water, and it gives that super paste, and you can leave it for 15 minutes and then wash off your face. So this one you can mix it with the water or milk, but instead I like to mix with curd because I'm an oily skin. Curd works really great with this kind of a face pack. This also is a powdered face pack. So this comes in a glass jar. So this is what the texture looks like. So this is what the powder looks like. You need to mix with any kind of hydrosol you like. So I'm gonna mix it with my curd, as I said. So I don't use this face pack every single day. I use only the neem seed oil every single day. So this one I use twice in a week. So I'm gonna take 1 spoon of the orange and almond face pack. I'm gonna mix it with the curd. So if you have a very dry skin, you can mix it with milk, so that it actually hydrates your skin. So if you have a oily skin, you can go with the curd. So if you don't have both, you can mix it with the water. So with the water, it doesn't mix that well. I like to mix with curd. So I really like this face pack, guys. It gives a super radiance to my skin. So now I'm gonna spread like that with my fingers itself. So this I'm gonna leave it for another 15 minutes. So this I can this sometimes I use it in the morning. If I don't have a time in the evening, I use this in the morning. So this is what the pack looks like once applied with the curd. So now I'm gonna wait it for 15 minutes so that it dries, and then I'm gonna wash it with my plain water. So guys, it's been 15 minutes. My face pack is completely dry. Now I'm gonna wash my face with the plain water, and then we'll be moving on to the next step, what I do in this acne skincare routine. So guys, as you can see, once I remove my face pack, you can see a great difference before my pack and after my pack. It gives that super radiance to my skin, and this radiance keeps me entire day very fresh and radiant looking. And continuous usage, you can see a major difference with reducing your pigmentation and acne scars. So the next step is to tone my face. For that, I have two different toners. One is the tea tree toner, which comes with the acne skincare kit. The other one I bought personally is the basil toner. So basil is a really great ingredient for acne prone skin. So I particularly I bought for that issue, and it super refreshes my skin, and it hydrates as well. So once I do my double cleansing, like I go with charcoal soap twice, so it actually hydrates my skin. So this I use in the morning, and tea tree I use at night time, because tea tree is also a great ingredient for acne skin problem. So evening I use this tea tree toner, which actually hydrates my skin. So and also it benefits my acne problem skin also. So I'm gonna spray all over my face. So this is the 100% pure steam distilled tea tree water. So you don't have to worry about the ingredient. It only contains tea tree, and as you can see, it spreads all on my face. I'm gonna just pat it like that, so that it penetrates into my skin. And also the basil toner is also a 100% steam distilled basil water. So all their facial toners have single ingredient. So if you have any particular skin concern, you can go with that facial toner. So if you have a acne prone skin, you can go with the basil toner. If you want to have the tea tree toner, you can go with the tea tree one. They have some other different toners. If you go in their website, you can see a multiple toners, and you can choose any toner which you have that particular concern. So the last step in this routine is applying moisturizer. For that, I have this pure aloe vera gel. The only ingredient which contains is aloe vera. It is a pure aloe vera gel. It's a cold pressed aloe vera gel, so you don't feel any different shade once you use. So this you can use it in the morning, and you can use it overnight. So if you use in the morning, you can keep it for 30 minutes and then you can wash it off, or you can use it at night and you can leave it overnight. So that's why I like to use this overnight, because this actually cool downs my face and keeps that very calm. And also aloe vera is a great product for acne prone skin. It also works great for acne issues. So I'm gonna take that this much. So I like to take a little bit more because the only moisturizer I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna massage gently into my skin. So if you have any kind of inflammation also, this will reduce. And if you have any irritation or you feel any dryness in this routine, it actually moisturizes thoroughly. You don't feel any kind of dryness. So lastly, you get one more product in acne skincare kit, that is the tea tree essential oil. So tea tree is a really great ingredient for present acne. So personally, I don't have any acne, so I don't use this product. So if you have a big acne, like it's not going with any of the product, you can use it as a spot treatment overnight after using the aloe vera gel. So once it settles down, it gives a super mattifying finish actually, and after that you can apply the tea tree or essential oil onto on the pimple, and next morning you can see that pimple would have compressed because of the tea tree product. So personally I don't use, but I have already used tea tree essential oil with a different brand, so I know the benefits of tea tree essential oil. So if you want a affordable in price, you can go with this priced at ₹330. In other brands you get a little bit pricier. This you can definitely go. So you know guys how much I love my under eye creams. So I have the Deyga Organics under eye cream, so which contains kolanji oil, hemp seed oil, almond oil, rosy seed oil, tamunu oil, carrot seed oil, and vitamin E oil. So this product contains a lot of oils, and which actually hydrates my under eyes thoroughly. You know guys, I have this sleeping problem. If I apply under eye cream only, I get sleep, otherwise I don't get sleep at all. So I have been using this cream. So this is a very thick cream, not like other creams with jelly or oil kind of. It's a thick cream. So I like to take my ring finger and I like to massage this. So once I massage this into my under eyes, I get a super cooling effect. So I sit in laptop, and also I sit in lights. So I really want a eye cream that works to tackle that FA problem. So this one really does its job, and also it doesn't give any tingling sensation or any sad feeling and all. So I really like this under eye cream. So definitely you have to try this cream guys if you have any dark circles or any wrinkles, and you can definitely go with this eye cream. I really personally love this. So for the lips, I have this lip scrub. This is the strawberry lip scrub. So once in a week or once in 15 days I go with this scrub guys. This is a super amazing scrub. If you follow in my Insta, you might seen I have been using this lip scrub non-stop. Like this is what the lip scrub looks like. This contains organic shea butter, avocado oil, almond oil, and granulated sugar, vitamin E, strawberry essential oil. So you need to take a little bit of product and you have to massage into your lips, and it removes all the chappiness. And if you have a very dry lips, please go with this kind of a scrub. It actually removes the chappiness and leaves super nourished. And continuous usage, you can see a major difference in that pigmentation of the lips. So I can see that difference guys. I cannot show that, but I can see the difference. Like before using the lip balm and lip scrub, my lips was little bit darker, and after I started using, I can see a little bit of difference. Like if I use continuously for next 1 month or 2 months, then I can see a major difference. So for the lip balm, I have two different lip balm. One is the beetroot lip balm, one is the vanilla lip balm. So for the beetroot one, we get almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, beetroot extract, and beeswax. In almond one, we get avocado oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, shea butter, and beeswax, vanilla extract. Oh, so the only difference we get is the fragrance. Here we get beetroot extract, here we get vanilla extract. So both the lip balm works really great, but personally I like the beetroot one because it makes my lips little bit pinkier. So I have been using this one. So I'm gonna put some lip balm today. So if you have any chappy lips or dry lips, you better go with the strawberry lip scrub and beetroot lip balm guys. Both the combination is really great. I personally love these two for my lips, and under eye cream also really great. So that's pretty much I want to share about this brand. And one more thing I really wanted to tell you guys, this product comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging and this kind of a bag. So this is a really good environment friendly, so they don't use any kind of plastic to wrap your products at all. So this one came for the neem seed oil, and this bag came for the charcoal soap. So a good environment friendly brand. Definitely you have to check out that website. So they don't use any kind of SLS, SLES or parabens, chemicals, and they are cruelty free vegan. So definitely you have to take the check out their page and website. And if you have any other products to try on, let me know guys. I'll love to try. So hope you like this video helpful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and do share with your friends if they want to try Deyga Organics. And I really like all the products guys. This is not a sponsored video. They have sent me only their skincare kit. Other than that, eye cream, lip balm, everything bought from my own money. So this is not a sponsored thing. It's my own personal opinion. So hope you like everything guys, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.